Hello, good morning, friends. I am Jasprit Singh, your tutor for this video. We are learning the HTML, Figma to HTML. In this video, we have this design, homepage design of this restaurant website, and we will create this we'll convert this design into the HTML using HTML and CSS only. So let's start with the hero section. We are using the Visual Studio Code editor uh, as a text editor. I already created index.html file and style.css. Let's start our code. So this is the basic um, HTML that we need for every HTML page. And let's add this file CSS style.css. Let's check if our file is linked properly. Save this. Right click here. Stop live server. Open with a live server here. You can see it will be opened here. You see our CSS file is properly linked with our HTML. So let's start our code. Uh, Let me remove this. So first we have this design. You see here. First what we need to do is we need to check the container size. So suppose this page is having, let me see, here you see the width of the page. Width is 1512 pixel. So let me check the container size. Here you see 180 pixel, 180 pixel, 1512 minus 180 minus 180. So our container size is 1152 pixel. So let me add this here. Container width is equal to 100% and max width is equal to, sorry, 1152 pixel. Now we'll center align this using margin 0 auto. Okay, so this is the container, and let me check the fonts. First we need to see the container size and the fonts we are going to use in our page. So this font is David David Libre, and this one you see is Inter regular, and which one is David Libre. So basically we are using two fonts, David Libre and the Inter. Let me see into the Google Fonts, fonts.google.com. Mostly people use the Google Fonts, but if you didn't find the fonts into the Google, we can search them into the Google. So DAVID. So we have this font here, David Libre. get font, get embed code. We can import this form into our CSS file, or we can add this these links into our HTML file. I am going to import this one into our CSS file at the top, and we need to add another font. mm, Enter. So we have this one, get font. So both fonts are added here. We can import both fonts simultaneously. Click, and we will replace our this code with this one. So our both David Libre and the Inter fonts are added. So let's start. First, we will analyze our design. So first we have this one, this our menu bar, nav bar, and this hero section where we have this content and this image. And this image, you see this one, this and these lines, we will add them as a background. So first, let's export these images. So we have this one selected, and click here, export PNG, export group 23, and select this image and click here, export PNG and export group 2022. So these images are exported. Let me move them into our folder, Control X, and create a folder, images. You see here, this is our folder, and in that file HTML and images folder, we have these images here. First one is hero BG, and second one is hero burger. Let me check this, you see, and this is our background image. Now let's start first. We need a logo also. Let's export this one also. Export logo. Rename this. Use only a single word without any spaces into the file names. So we have index, style, and images folder. So let's start creating. First, analyze the structure of our design. So in here we have the logo and the this menu bar. Here we have simple menu items, and here we have the two menu buttons in the last. So let's start creating this. First, go to our text editor, header, class header, or we can choose any class name like navbar, menu bar, or anything. Div class container, so the content will stay in a proper width. So we need two wrappers, first one for logo and one for our menu. Okay, so we need a first main wrapper, class, um, navbar. Now we will create two divs first, one for logo and one for our menu. Class logo, here class menu bar. Okay, so to display logo we'll use the image tag. In the source we need to give the image path, so where we are placing our images in the images folder. So this is our index file we are working here. We need to go to the images folder first, then there we have our logo file, logo. Okay, let's just check here. You see our logo is here. Now we need to create our menu. We'll use the ULLI, unordered list, to display the menu items. First, we create an HTML of our section. Then we can do the style.css, UL, li. We need anchor tag into our li, so we can link them to our different pages. How many items we have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so 5 and 2 menu buttons. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These are our menu buttons. Let's copy the text here. This. We have added here. Now these two menu items are our menu buttons, so we can give them different classes, so we can target them. Class button, will name them. So this is our primary button and this is our secondary button. Okay, so first we will give class primary button. class button secondary button. Okay, so let's open this, check here. You see, we have created our menu items are showing here. So let's start design it according to our design. First, which font we are using? Enter 16 regular. Okay, so first cancel body, margin 0, padding 0, and fonts. Let's check the how we need to give the font family. Oh, look here, get embed code. Link. We need to use this. Let's save here and comment it. Okay, we can comment the CSS code using this slash line and the star, and in the end star and the slash line. Body, we can right click here, copy, click here, copy code CSS, copy. We can use this like this. We need to remove the extra code. So this is the default text design generally we are using on our whole page. So let's enter. We can use this here. Okay, so let's start designing our header section. So this is our header. We need to learn how to use the inspect. You see, here we have the UL, we have all our HTML showing here. We need to design our menu bar. We can use this class. So we need to, we will design this ULLI using the flex property. So let's learn flex property with this. First, display flex. Okay. So what will happen with this menu bar? Oh, sorry. We need to give flex property to the UL. Okay. So menu bar UL. Save. You see, this comes into a single line. What we need to do now? We need to give space to between them. Click on the first. You see, we selected this. Move to the second element and press Alt. and you see the gap between them, it's 34. How we give here, we'll use the gap property and value is our 34 pixel. Okay, with this you see gap is here. We need list style none. Just see what is happening. You see the dots are removed. Now we'll give the style to the anchor tags. Click here, copy CSS dot menu bar ULLI a tag. Copy this and remove the unwanted code. We already using this default design, colors and text decoration none. Text decoration none means you can see the changes here. You see, look at here. Let me select the anchor tag. If what is happening, text decoration, the underline is coming by default. Now we are changing this to none, and color by default anchor tag color is blue. We can change the color like this color and give the color. Okay, so this is our menu bar, and now we need to have this logo and menu bar in a single row. Now we will give flex, will use flex property on our navbar class. Okay, navbar display flex align item center justify content space between. Okay, now you see we use the flex property here, and here is our menu bar and logo, and here is the nav bar with a line item center. You see, first you see here logo is taking the extra height and image is 55 pixel of height, and but logo is showing 64 pixel. So for this we need to give logo font size 0. Okay, now you see, 1 second. Let's give a logo height 55 pixels. Now you see, and now we need to give space from the above 68 pixel. Let me check it. It is showing 63 pixel, and below is 200 pixel, but we'll give 60 pixel from top and the bottom. How we will give this? We'll give this to our header class. Okay, dot header padding 60 pixel 0, 60 pixel 0. Okay, so this one is from the top, this one is from right, this one is from bottom, and this one is from our left. So we have the same top and bottom and same right and left. So we can remove this. This will also work for both the directions. Save and look at here. You see, let me show you here. You see the change in the green. The green space is our padding from the top and the bottom. And so now what is left? We need to design our buttons. So first we will give the uh, basic style to our button class, which will come for all of the buttons. Button fonts are same. Okay, David Libre. This one removed. Color is different for, and we need to check the padding is showing the we'll use the same padding from right and left. Let's suppose 30 pixel and 18 pixel from top and bottom. Padding 18 pixel, 30 pixel, and this here. Save this. Now dot primary button. Here we have different background color, orange color, white. Okay, let me see the proper orange color we are using here. You see this one, just click here or click here, or when we click, when we press the control, it will select, like you see here, this is a group which is showing all the elements. When we press the control, this will help selecting the specific element here. Press control and click on the element. Now we need to see the background color here. We copied this, replace this with this. Don't forget to push hashtag color white. Okay, now secondary button, same properties, different background color. Click on the element and check the colors here. Okay, now replace this with this. Let's see at the front end. You see, but here color is different. Color white is not showing. Let me see color, primary button, secondary button. Okay, so you see the color is getting from the anchor tag. We can make this important. You see here, You see the spacing is little bit unequal. Let's fix this. Design is not the fine design. This is just a rough design. Let's fix this. We'll give it to 24 pixel. Gap is 24 pixel here. We need to give the border radius. Here is mixed. Click here and right click here, copy CSS. Okay. Now, do we have border radius here? No. CSS. We'll use the border radius by self button, border radius. I told you this is not the fine design. This is just a quick rough design. When you get the proper design, you will see the border radius here written here. And let's give border radius 20 pixel, 4 pixel, 20 pixel, 4 pixel. Okay. Now you see we have border radius. We need to have a hover effect, primary button, hover, background, background color to, we will choose this one with this color white, same color. And for secondary button, we'll use this orange color on hover, secondary button, hover. We'll give the transition for smooth effect transition 0.4 s, or okay, let's see. You see, so this is our header section. In this way we will create, we can also add hover effect here. Let's create this hover effect, hover. Okay, let's change the text color to orange. One second. And give the same transition to the anchor tag. You see, so in this way we will create this um, nav bar. Let's check the another video for the hero section. We'll create this hero section into our next video. Thank you for watching this. Let's meet into another meeting.